What is up, fellow riders? Today we are gonna do unboxing, and I'm sure many of you have heard of quad lock phone mounts, right? So now Fidlock is similar to quad lock. Both are, quick release, and from my research it seems like Fidlock it's much better quality than quad lock, and we'll talk about more about that later. And I'll share with you guys what are the phone mounts that are compatible, the pricing, where you can get it, installation on an e-bike, and as well as my first test ride with Fidlock. Now let's start off with unboxing, and as you can see it's just two boxes. Fidlock is much easier to install because when I watch videos of quad lock, it seems like it comes with many boxes, and you have to install the locking mechanism on the back of the phone casing yourself. And now I'm using the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, so I'll have to first get a phone casing that fits my phone. And as you can see, this is for the Samsung Galaxy S20. Alright, and now I'm just gonna quickly attach this phone casing to my phone. What's inside the box is obviously just a phone casing. This is how it looks like. This is where the magnetic vacuum point connects. No idea what's the technical term for that. And that's pretty much it for this. Over here, okay, gonna put it onto my phone. Alright, and it fits just nicely. And what's next inside this box? It's obviously the handlebar mount. This mount, it goes onto your bicycle, your motorbike. And let's open up, have a look what's inside. I believe other than the handlebar mount, there's some other mounts as well. Alright, I've got cable ties, instruction manuals. There you go. These are the other mounts. Comes with an Allen key as well. And what else do we have? A pair of Allen key screws. And this is the cloth. There you go. There you go. This is the handlebar mount. Now how do you get this off? Okay, we gotta use an Allen key to remove this. Oh, probably we don't. Just slide it out. Now, before I open this handlebar mount out, I am quite excited to share with you guys. Like, guys, this is how impressed I am. Okay, so basically you just need to connect these two parts together. Okay, gotta hear the sound, and you see it's not able to remove it. What you gotta do is you gotta push this part and to release it. It's kind of like a magnetic suction kind of mechanism. Woo, so fun. Okay, this is what's inside. I will install it onto an e-bike later on. Alright, so I've laid it all out. It's a clearer picture on what's inside the box. This is the Fidlock phone casing, the handlebar, the vacuum handlebar, Allen key, a pair of Allen key screws. This is a thinner handlebar mount over here. This is no idea where does this belong, but I'm pretty sure that this goes into here, something along that line. I'll figure out later on. Again, the instructions, pair of cable ties, and this is the cloth to wipe. I don't know. Why do we need a cloth? Okay, now onto the installation. Gonna get this and mount it onto the Eco Drive. Okay, we'll do it something like that, not too tight first, so we are still able to adjust the height if needed. And that's it. That's pretty much about it. All we got to do is just we got to install this mount. You know, obviously insert your phone onto this casing. Damn, that's a pretty solid casing. You guys can hear it. It's like hard plastic, and you know, it just works like that. Holy shit, this is pretty solid. This is the point to unlock. In the middle. Once you connect onto it, takes a little bit of practice, I would say. Maybe starting you'll use two hands, and eventually I guess you can use one hand to do it. If it's a straight handlebar, it's probably easier to push it downwards, because right now the sides, the corners, it's blocking this Fidlock a little bit. Let's see if there's any way I can adjust. The other alternative would be to put it somewhere. I'll remove the bell and I'll put it somewhere here. So okay, once again, not gonna tighten too tight because we're just gonna try it out. There we go. One hand. There we go. You just push this part. This is the unlocking mechanism. Okay, so it's why is it not removing? It's too strong. So it's we have come to a conclusion that a Fidlock on the corners of it, you shouldn't put, like, if you're using a stock Eco Drive handlebar, you still can put it in the middle, like these 2 points, but you have then to use both hands, you know, probably your right hand to push to unlock this, and this one to lift it up. It's still a great phone mount, just that for people that wants to release it one hand, there shouldn't be any objects or surface that's blocking the corners of this ring over here. Okay, and I'm just gonna tighten this, and we are going out to test out the Fidlock. So far I'm pretty happy about this phone holder, phone mount. Alright guys, now we are gonna give this phone holder a test, and we are riding at approximately 24 to 25 kilometers per hour. We have just passed by a couple of white stripes, and those, as you guys know, can be quite bumpy. I was looking at the phone holder and it's pretty secure, like there's like zero movement, guys. It's just that stable. Alright, and I'm gonna go a little bit further. We'll see if there's any more bumpy roads that we can test it out, but so far I am pretty satisfied with this phone. It's like super secure. Nothing's moving, guys. Nothing's moving. Maybe we can move like left and right, to rotate left and right. This is a great feature about this. We can turn this left and right. Flexibility, 360. but in terms of it wobbling like forward and backwards, I'm not experiencing anything of that sort. Alright guys, by the way, now time for the pricing. You can get this, you can get the phone casing for $49 and the handlebar mount for $49 as well. Unlike the typical phone holders is just kind of like a one piece, this is a two piece lah. Good and bad lah, pros and cons about that. I would say it's definitely on the pricier side, but it definitely improves your food delivery experience. That's definite, that's for sure. Just like how MFC magnetic bags improves the lives of many food delivery riders, your delivery bags no longer are flapping upwards, especially for motorbike riders. Of course, when riding on a higher speed lah, that's what I'm saying. Okay, these are bumpy roads. And speaking of MFC, you could also get this phone casing as well as the handlebar mounts on MFC Carousel website. And I'll also share with you guys the models that are available for the Fidlock handlebar mount. The phone models that are compatible to use the Fidlock phone mounts are the Samsung S20, S20 Ultra, S20 Plus, S21, S21 Plus, and S21 Ultra. And for the iPhone models are the iPhone SE, iPhone 13, iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13 Pro Max, iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max, and iPhone XR. We do hope that Fidlock will be coming out with more phone models that are compatible to use this amazing phone mount. You could head over to MFC Carousel page to get this, and I also leave the link below if you wish to purchase directly for myself. With that, signing off, and fellow riders, see you on the streets!